What up? What up? What up? How's everyone doing? What up, y'all? Awesome. Dude, gold, 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 gold. Freaking gold. Look at this, bro. So we caught a great entry. A great freaking entry. I'm happy about everything here. Everything. The entry, the support. We were not early. We were right on time. But what happened? A tape bomb happened. Yeah, man, you missed it. But we might be able to catch a different entry here. But I just would have loved to still be in this. We got caught in a tape bomb, man. Look at this. Perfect entry right there. This candle opens up at 5. Bam. Takes us out. Hang on, actually. Let me try to figure out some sound settings here. Okay, I think I can hear it now. A tape bomb. A tape bomb is just when something super like fast and crazy just happens. If you were paying attention as we were going, we were up here, this wick right here that it left behind, it happened so fast. It went bam and then right back up. That's a tape bomb. Because it's and that has to do with like the top of the hour. That has to do with the top of the hour volatility, or if some news happens where it just in a blink of an eye it happens quick, like bam, and then all the way back up or whatever direction it was going to. Because look, if we never went break even, we would have been in this still. But I mean, for me personally, I'm joking around, but honestly, I'm happy that I managed it. Because what if this tape bomb went way lower? What if it went so much lower than that? You know, there's two sides to this. So I'm happy being break even. And yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Okay, well, let's see if we can catch something else. Okay, let's see. We're about to start a new hour. NQ, man. NQ's just been ranging since we opened. 3 p.m. Look at that. Just barcoding. So far, NQ is just barcoding. So there isn't much. I mean, For NQ, the way it's moving, we need to break out of this range that we're in. So we're going to keep an eye on this because we could possibly get a breakout here on NQ. But for right now, there's nothing promising. For all we know, we could just be here all night until like London or something. So yeah, I mean, if you want to trade NQ, you could, you can play it from the top to the low, to the low, to the top if we decide to keep ranging, I mean. But for right now, I'm hands off on NQ because look at that. Since we opened, we've been going nowhere. Right? So we'll see. We'll see. And if we break out, actually, one more thing. If we break out, we have all this range to this low. And if we can catch this trade, if we get the breakout to that low, that's 150 points. And here, if we break up to the top, we can play up here to this resistance zones, which is almost 100 points. So decent ranges on both sides, but let's see what it ends up doing. Okay, let's look at gold again. Okay, let's look at the day. Dude, what are the chances we just recover all of the sell-off that we did on gold? Look at that. We're already almost halfway. Or we are halfway. Let's see. We're almost halfway of the sell-off. If we keep going up, this is exactly where I think we would see some resistance or some consolidation. So that would be... No, that's not even the 50%. Hang on. Okay, look, never mind. Look, we're already at the 50%. Past it. Okay. The 4-hour closes above in the next hour. You can see how we're holding up above the 50% of that big old drop. Okay. This still looks good to the upside, but let's see though. We could see more consolidation around this area. But if I were to say we can possibly get into another trade, it would be right here. Watch. So same idea. Same idea. If we can close above this right here, get a close, and then on the following candle, we see a wick down to kind of give it that retest. And then on the wick up, we can catch another entry on this gold. But the idea was, matter of fact, let me do this on the top step. Let me do this right on the top step. But yeah, this was TP. That was TP right there. And that TP was based off a 1 hour resistance, which is right there. And you can see that's where we're almost about to get to. But if we end up getting the re-entry, then our target would be up here. Right there. That would be our target if we can get the re-entry. So yeah, for right now, just more patience. I mean, again, it sucks. We would have been still in this, but now we gotta be patient a little bit. We can either see two things: is yeah, man. Right now, I mean, I would have liked to still be in this, but unfortunately, we got out. So now we gotta be a little bit more patient. patient to get a continuation set up here. So let's see, man. I haven't been on since early January. Yeah, man. Right here, man. The 2 TPs right here would be key levels. At least for what I'm trying to take profit on. So yeah, let's see what happens here. I'm gonna have these both pulled up. It looks like it wants to break out. Oof. This NQ looks like it wants to go for it. Look at that. Six o'clock now, so top of the hour again. Oh, it's just that banner is just letting us know that we can't trade as much on gold and silver. They're limiting you of how many contracts you can enter off of on. Okay, so gold, I mean NQ looks like it wants to do it. So let's see. I think I like NQ a little bit better just because of gold here. If we get the closure and we buy into it, we have this resistance level on the hourly here, that blue line. So we'd be buying into that resistance in hopes that it breaks through. But what if it doesn't, you know, and then it just completely rejects off. So we can get, if this candle here in the next 13 minutes, if it closes above this level here and above, okay, we'll lean in on that. But for right now, NQ looks like it has my attention here. And if we get the entry on NQ, I mean, we have these two big bearish fair values. We can go for gap fills on the 30 minute. Let's see if we can find a clear level. Yeah, we got this right here. This could be TP1 right here, this resistance support that would now be retested as resistance. And if we break through, we got this level up here. Look at gold. Look at gold. You entered gold? Yeah, man. Nice. 21 bucks. Yeah, bro. Minis, man. Anybody could tell you to stay away from, but the one person does not actually learn until they get burned off of them. That's for damn sure. Okay, look. Gold might be doing the closures that we want to see. Look at that. Well, if we were still in that original trade, this full TP would have happened already. That's full TP for the first trade. L7, what up, man? Quick short. Nice. Nice, bro. No, 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 no. Volatility is still there. There's less people. There's less people trading both gold and silver, but it's just, the volatility just means you can get burned fast because the spreads are so wide. So like for silver, there's like a 10 tick spread, and if you enter, you're instantly red kind of thing. I mean, if a gambling addict wants to share what happened the other day, but that's and Coobs too. Yesterday, Coobs last night he traded silver, and when he got out of break even, he was confused why his profit was so little, but it was because of all the spreads. Okay, if NQ gives us this close up here, I'm interested. I'm very interested here. I'm very interested. And then same thing with gold here. So we might take two trades at the same exact time. We might take, because they're both looking good. They're both looking for good for continuations. Gold is looking good for a continuation, and Q is looking good for a breakout. Hopefully, it doesn't go too far off on us, but yeah, we might be taking two trades here, depending on the close. I'm waiting for a close for sure. L7, yeah, it's the 15-minute chart, man. Yeah, I'm not liking how we're just pushing here on NQ. I don't want it to go too far off. But if we get the fill, this is what I'm thinking here. The retest. It's going to be another break and retest the way we have been doing. It's going to be 30 points. I'll do 50. 50-point stop, and then damn, dude, NQ is just going for it. No, bro. 2R is that level exactly, so this is perfect. I'm happy with this. But let's see if we can get the entry though. Let's see if we can get that entry. And then same thing for gold here. If we get the retest, it would be right there. That's where I would like my entry. And then for this one, because it's so much more, the 20-point stop, it's a lot tighter, but I'm not willing to risk more than 200 bucks on this. I'm gonna go if we get entries on both, I'm gonna do 1 micro each. So I don't, just so it's not, I'm not more worried about another trade, I guess. I'm not worried about either. One too much for the other, if that makes sense. I think I'm messing up my words there, but that's what I'm thinking here. And the 2R would be 51.12, but if we get TP way up here, that'd be sweet. Okay, but we find out in 4 minutes. 4 minutes if we get the close and entry. Okay, let's see. Let's be patient here. I'm gonna go get some water while we wait for this close. If we never got stopped out of the this first gold trade, TP hit, I would have been up 700 bucks on the day off 1 micro. That's crazy, bro. Yeah. But that's literally gold. That's what gold does. That's the type of stuff gold does. I might just say fuck it and get my entry if we at least close above this. This level there. Okay, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay, here we go. My limits are going in. On both NQ and gold. Let's see if you get filled. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see some magic and continuation. Okay, NQ breakout and gold continuation. Let's see if gold can keep going, I mean. Okay, let's see. And again, I'm in 1 micro. Filled on NQ, MNQ. Let's see it, baby. Let's see the breakout. Let's see it. TP is up here, 544.50, 200 bucks, and 394.50 is stop loss. $99, 100 bucks. So 1 to 2, risking 100 bucks here on NQ. So let's see it. Let's see the breakout. Gold, man. Take us with you. Take us with you, bro. All right, so now we wait. Athletic, what'd you end up doing with the prop firms? Cool, man. Yeah, emotions. That's always the battle, bro. Emotions. Okay, look, we're about to get a fill here on gold. I just hope that it doesn't smash through our entry and straight to stop loss. That's always a thing. Because when you want to see retracements, you want to see it take its time. You know, stair step down, or you know, don't go so fast. Like if what happened at 5 p.m. If that's the kind of candle and you entered on, you got some balls. Because again, like who knew how low that would have gone? Wow, almost got filled there on gold. No way, that was our only shot right there. We get left behind on gold. Gold, bro. Where you going, bro? Not like this, bro. Go. No way. It almost got us in. And then it just leaves. No way. No way. No way. Oh, you canoe. And Q looks like it was just it looks like it could be a failed attempt here. Failed breakout here. Gold. I think gold's leaving without us. 30-minute was leaving behind a wick. But it's not over until it's over. So we're still in it. We're still in this. Okay, gold. Easy, gold. Easy. Not too fast. Not too fast, gold. Easy. And on this, it's going to be 200 bucks I'm risking. On gold, I'm risking $100 on NQ.
Order filled.
And 200 bucks for gold. Okay, we got the fill. Okay, we got the entry. If these are losses, there's no reason to be upset. We waited for the perfect entry. These are my perfect entries. Took them. So far, gold got that entry. Nice reaction to it. So let's see some follow through here now. It's what I want to see. Anything could still happen, but again, anything could still happen. But we got the entries that we were waiting for. We were patient. Entries are there, and now, yeah, man, let's see these things play out now. This is all we can do. Now we gotta let the market do its thing. Would have been up 200 bucks, but the one candle at 23 bucks. For which one? NQ or gold? Gold, yeah. Yeah, man, that's the thing about gold. Gold likes to retest a lot. If we can get TP, that's going to be 940 bucks. Not bad. So for gold, I'm only willing to risk 200 bucks. If you're trading a combine, you could probably go a little bit lower on your stop loss. But the thing is that I'm trading the funded. Max I'm willing to risk is $200. If I go way down here, I'm risking $400. And I don't know how I feel about that. So that's why I'm just keeping it fairly tight. If gold fails, then I'll just look for a re-entry. But for right now, it shouldn't. It shouldn't fail because this is holding up very well. I like what I'm seeing here. And again, that's the reason for the entries here on both trades. The entries are exactly where I want them, and stop losses are exactly where I want them. So again, we did what we did what we could. Now we let it play out. So yeah, man. I won't trade to lose. I'm very tight too on NQ. Let's go out. Yeah, man. But, it does suck that gold. I would have been up 700 bucks if I never got out, if I never got tagged out. One micro, yeah. I mean, one micro, dude, you don't sweat with one micro. I mean, we're chilling. I mean, if you're in heavy, then yeah, maybe. But Okay, NQ trying to recover here. NQ's going for that recovery here after we thought it was just going to fail. So it's clinging on to that area where it wants to break out of. So let's see let's see the follow through. Because buyers can show up, but then we gotta we gotta ask the question: are they going to stay there? Gold is being supported very well. It's going for the green here on gold. NQ is still recovering. I'm trying to recover here.
Ice bag. Ice bag. How are you doing?
Good, man.
I have a question. Why is this showing on the screen?
What is?
Why is this message popping up?
Oh, because there's a lot of people making way too much money on silver and gold.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, yeah, Top Step is getting rinsed with a lot of people taking payouts, making 100K plus.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And the spreads, all that. So there's a lot going on with it. So they're just making sure they're protecting their pockets.
What bastards?
Yeah, man.
That's fucked up, man. Hmm.
Yeah, NQ looks like it's a failed breakout there, going for stop loss. But again, it's not over until it's over. And yeah, I'm sticking to it. Gold is about to flip green. So it's holding up very well. I like what I'm seeing here. Let's see if there's no other like fast wick down.
Hmm. Damn, everybody's so quiet.
Yeah, man,
It's kind of-
we're in the trade now, so now we're just kind of waiting for it to play out.
Oh, you're in it. Oh shit, you guys are in a trade?
Yeah. I
Right
went,
now you guys just entered?
huh?
Right now you just entered?
We've been in it. I entered a gold long earlier and I got wicked out at break even, and TP would have hit. So now I'm trying to get a continuation here. Okay, we're green on gold
You
again.
can take 2 trades at a time.
Yeah, I'm taking 2 trades. NQ was in a range since open, and it looks like it wanted to break out, and that's what I'm basing that off of. And so far, it's not looking good. But gold, the continuation is looking good. So let's see. Again, buyers are here. Are they going to stay here? Is the next question. And yeah, let's wait for follow through. Anything
got a
can
hot
still happen. Anything can still happen here.
Is it too late to get in? You're just in one mini? You're on one.
Yeah, I'm in one micro for each because I just don't like to go heavy on 2 different tickers. Look at gold now, dude.
It's
Keep pushing,
ripping,
baby.
dude.
Honestly, I think I care a little bit more about gold because the ROI is a lot better than $200 on NQ. So I'm not
I
too
don't know.
worried about MNQ here. But again, anything can still happen. Just make sure you guys are managing, see green, take green if you feel, but I'm sticking through TP or stop loss. Okay, on on gold, I like this closure here. I like this candle close. the way it broke down and then it closed green, that was the exact setup I took down here on this one. You guys see that? That's the exact candle setup. It broke down, closed bullish, and then you guys saw the rest. So let's see if we can get the same thing up here. So I still feel real good. If we get stopped out, it is what it is. But same exact identical candle structure there. So let's see it. Same exact.
Yeah.
Same exact candle structure. And we're closing above that line. You guys see this? The TP? We're holding up in the same area. So again, I feel real good. Let's see. Let's see it go.
I just need $37 more $100 and I'll pass. Yeah, on my 150K account. Hopefully I can pass by tonight, Asia session.
Yeah, man. Try not to get too in your head on it because I've been there before where I'm like, dude, I'm so close. And then I just blow it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna trade like how I normally trade. That's about it.
Yeah. Yeah, you could. Yeah, if it's only 3,700, then yeah, you can pass tonight.
Order filled.
What's your TP at, Icebag? What's your TP at? God, it's so manipulating.
Dude, we literally been here in this area, the last hour. So top of the hour is about to come up. Let's see if it doesn't wake us out again. On gold.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not over. Let's see. Dude, no way I cut in queue and now it wants to push up like this. No way.
Is it gonna go? Gold definitely had people manipulation. Hmm.
This was the perfect TP on the first trade that we got stopped out of at break even.
Silver's dumping. Hmm.
L7 on YouTube is saying that there was a double top. I mean, yeah, it could be, man. What I was going for here was the range breakout play. That's what I was going for right here. Of that level here on this one, on this 15-minute candle, it looked like it was going for it. We got this candle close right there, waited for an entry at here at the break and the retest, and it just ended up failing. I mean, it still technically didn't hit our stop loss. It still technically didn't do it, so it could still happen, but I cut it. The breakouts aren't like something I'm willing to hold that long, especially for NQ if it's looking like this. But with gold, I'm holding it just because, you know, the RI is a little bit better and it was a continuation. Yeah, man, risk management is all we can do. Looks like I'm getting stopped out, or let's see. I'm gold. Let's see. I mean, NQ is doing the thing for sure. The fact that we're still in this gold trade is kind of crazy. Oh man, maybe I spoke too soon. Are you still in it, Coops?
No, I exited a long time ago. I lost 500 on it. I just wanted to manage my risk.
Yeah, dude, that's a W. That's W. That's a big W, man. I mean, again, like this is ideally what I want to be. This is what I want it to be held up on. I mean, it's doing what I would like it to keep doing, you know. And this goes back to me telling you guys is that my stop loss is exactly where I want it to be. I mean, if it fails, then that's fine. I'll look for a re-entry. But so far, it's doing what I would like it to keep doing. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, actually. So it looks nice and pretty for the screenshot of the recovery, the big comeback. Hopefully. Look at it push. Come on now. Again, buyers are here. Stay here and get us higher. Nice little
It's for
recovery.
gold.
Yeah, on gold.
Like, do I want to re-enter again?
I mean, you could get our entry at my entry's at 50.73 on the dollar, on the dot. I mean, we need Archie in here to blow.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this recovery. Just come on, baby. Soundboard. Is there one of him blowing? That was, yeah. This was literally me when I got stopped at a break even on this gold. But anyway, again, buyers are stepping up, but we got to stay here, and that should take us higher. But so far, beautiful support. I like it. Come on, man.
Yeah, I'm home.
Please.
Yeah. I'm just trying to focus. I'm trying to close out this and pass this trade. I want to snipe something real quick if I can.
So far, I love how this is holding up. I really do. I just know gold. I mean, anything can happen with gold. I might even add to this depending on how this closes and breaks. I might even add. But up $12 so far. Get us above.
Order filled. Order filled.
Crazy. Sellers are trying, so let's just see if this is it. This is like the where we just go up, you know? Let's look at NQ. Yeah, NQ. NQ is being supported. All right, man. See you, Athletic. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking here with gold. I'm thinking about if we do see some green and we get a push to get this high, I think I'm going to go break even at that point. I mean, I think at this point, the way it's been moving, you can see that it's like being bought up and then immediately follows back with the range. It just follows it back up with, you know, going back in this range. So if we push up, sweep this high, I'm going to go break even at that point. If it goes back into the range, then I'll be break even and I'll be out of it. That's what I'm thinking. Because we don't know how much longer we got in this range, or if it's going to go, it's going to go. But after this one, if it's over soon, I got one more trade in me for the night. Thank you, man. It was looking good for a bit, but then it just left that wick behind. But we've just been ranging for sure. So our best bet right now is gold. So hopefully this does flip around and get going to our favor. And then, yeah. And then, yeah, hopefully we can get you to pass this tonight. Coobs.
Yeah, I'm down money. Fuck. Trading gold and silver stuff.
Yeah, man.
Either get it right or you get it wrong. There's no in between.
Yeah. I mean, I used to, I was trading like 5 micros, but with like the volatility and all this stuff, like my stop loss was always 10 points. But ever since this whole thing, it's 10 points is like so small now. Like the range is just so small from my entry to stop loss.
Yeah. That's been tough. Just moving slow, gold and silver.
Yeah. I mean, the volume left as soon as we hit TP on the first one. I think I'm kind of like, shoulda, coulda, woulda on that one.
Yeah.
But let's see. Because ideally too, like again, like my normal entry, on my normal entry, my stop loss would be way down here at the low, but that's risking $400, and I'm not willing to do that. I'm not willing to risk that much. But so far so good. I mean, it's holding up. That's the thing. It's holding up the way I want to see it. I think I'm getting impatient. Like, come on now, let's go. Let's just make the move already. About to flip green. Okay, here we go.
Order filled.
Jesus, come on, bro. Give me something.
Come on, baby. I'm falling asleep now, man. Okay, here you go.
You don't want to push up? Come on.
1 minute is looking good. Let's take a look.
On push up.
The 1 minute? Oh, that's the 1 second. I was like, bro, why did it look like that? Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, this looks good. Volume is picking up. Candles, but look, we're still at that zone. But come on. Again, I'm seeing everything I want to see. We just need to get this going, though. We need to get it going.
Push up, push up.
Yeah, this is very typical of Asia session. Volume comes in, we take our entry, and then just goes flat.
Like every time I take a fucking trade on this, the volume just goes to shit or against me. Come on, push up, bro. I want to push up.
It's holding up though. I like it. I like this. I like this.
Push up. Give it to me.
You got to bring out the belt.
Yeah, no shit. Fucking go, bro. Jesus fucking Christ. Come on. Fucking push. Come on. Go. Come on. Go. Push up. Push up. Push up.
Come on. Come on,
Push
man.
up, you piece of shit. Fucking ass bitch. Push up.
Dude, it loves our fucking entry, bro.
Oh my god, dude. I'm so disgusted.
Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Here we go. Oh, come on. Okay, here you go.
Push up.
Here we go.
Come on, you piece of shit. Push up. You better fucking go up. Better fucking go up. Better fucking go up. Keep fucking going. Hurry up. I don't got fucking time for you. I need to run on the treadmill today, too. Come on. Come on. Push up. Push up. Come on. Come on. Just give me that one last green godlike candle push. Please, God, I need this. I need it now. Please. You fucking go. Come on, go. Jesus Christ. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
What's your entry, Coops?
I'm trading silver. I'm down 3,500, but I'm up a grand right now. I just need to get this 4,500 and get the fuck out.
Wait, you're trading silver?
Yeah, I'm in 2 minis. Come on, go. Go, go, for the life of me. Gold and silver are trading the exact same. I'll be done. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, push it, daddy. Push it. There we go. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Going. Keep going. That one last push. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. One last final push. One last final push. There we go. There we go. There we go. I knew I had
Yeah,
that
it's
entry
pushing.
right. I knew I had it right. There we go. Come on. Come on. One last push. I'm still holding. Still holding.
Let me look at silver.
Come on. Come on. One last push. One last push. Give it to daddy. One last push. Give it to daddy. One last push. Give it to daddy. If it breaks 81.70.
Here we go.
We
Yeah,
are-
you're eating.
There we go.
Let's go.
There we go.
I'm up $90. I made back the loss.
Oh, give me that. Oh, I'm getting roided tonight.
I'm up $100. I made back the
Yes.
loss.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
But
Let me
see you
pass
tomorrow.
this shit. Come on, you fucking garbage. Oh, the neighbors are probably going to think I'm a psycho. Come on. Come on. Roid me up. Roid me up. Roid me up. Give me that 8K payout. Roid me up. Come on. Here we go. There we go. Roid me up, baby.
Okay, we swept the
Roid me
low.
up
We
back
swept
from
the
the
high. I'm gonna
dead.
break even now. I'm break
Roid
even
me
now.
up. Roid me up. Come on. Roid me up. Roid it.
We swept that high, so I'm
Roid
break
it.
even
Come
now. I'm break
on.
even.
Roid me up. Roid me up. Fucking do this shit. Wasn't gonna go down, baby. Wasn't gonna go down, baby. I wasn't gonna go down, baby. Pay me my 7K right now, baby. Where's the needle? Where's the needle? Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me one last time. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. One last dose. Come on. Come on. One last dose. One last dose. One last dose, baby. God, I'm still holding on. I probably should get the fuck out. Oh, come on. One last needle. One last needle. One last needle. Come on. Push it up. Push it up. There we go.
Dude, if it keeps going,
There
your
we go,
target could
baby.
be $89.
There we go, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on.
Dude,
Roid it
goddamn.
up.
Okay,
Roid
you
it up
guys
for
though, you
daddy.
guys make
Roid
sure
it
you guys
up
are
for
managing
daddy,
this.
baby.
Make sure you guys
Roid
are
it up
managing.
for
It took us a
daddy.
while, but we're up now.
Roid it up for daddy, baby. Roid it up for daddy. Back from the dead, baby. Back from the dead. Roid it up for me. Come on. Roid it up. Roid it up. Give me that mill. Give me that million. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. One last push. There we go. Yes, 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 yes. Ugh. Come on. One last push, you fucking piece of shit. One last push, you motherfucker. I know you want to go up. You want to go up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. One last push. One last push. One last push. Damn, I can't believe I'm still holding this. Fuck.
Yeah, again, make sure you guys are managing this.
Come on, 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 come on. Yes, 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 yes. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me.
Just hold until
Give
you
it
pass
to
this. Fucking.
me. Give it to daddy, baby.
let's
Give it
go,
to
baby.
daddy. Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Spread those legs for me. Spread those legs for me. Come on. Oh my god. I might fucking pass this shit. I gotta take a screenshot of this shit, guys. I was literally down 3,700. Your boy is back. Your boy is back from the dead. Your boy's back from the dead. Your boy is back from the dead.
Gold is
Come
pushing
on,
now,
keep giving
dude.
it.
Hell yeah.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. I'm holding this. I'm doing this for you guys. $1,000 to $1 million. We're really doing this, chat. We're really doing this. We're really doing this, chat. Oh my god, that good my candle. Give it to me, daddy. Give it to me. Call me Coobs. Oh my god.
Yo,
Oh my God,
YouTube,
where are
drop a
my
like
bitches
on
at?
this
Where my bitches
video.
at?
Drop a
Let's
like on
go,
this
ladies.
live
Come
stream.
on. Come on, ladies. Come on. Sorry, I know you're
It took us a
streaming.
while, but we're up. It took us, I think, a whole hour, and now we're up.
Want to attend? All right, Ice Bag. Do I hold or should I get out? Ice Bag, do I hold or should I get out?
I think you should take one partial and let the rest ride at break even.
Ice Bag. Ice Bag.
What? I just said.
Ice Bag. Ice Bag. I want to.
Or hold it. At least go break even until move your stop loss to where it makes your account break even.
Ice Bag. Ice Bag. Ice Bag. Am I the goat? Ice Bag. Ice Bag. Am I the goat or what?
No. Yeah, you're the goat. You got diamond hand. That's for damn sure, bro.
Ice
Silver
Bag. Am I
holding
the
through all
goat?
that.
Ice
That's
Bag.
crazy.
Ice Bag. Say the term because I can't say it. Say the term. Say the term. Coobs
Say
never
the term?
loses.
Okay, bet.
Chat. Are you? Chat. Are you guys looking at my screen? Chat. Are you guys looking at my screen? I'm not looking at the. I'm not looking, but keep typing, chat. Keep typing. Look at my screen, chat. Look at my screen. Pass. I want to pass 2 more grand. 2 more grand. 2 more grand. 2 more grand. 2
You
more
might as well-
grand.
yeah,
2 more
you might as well
grand.
just go for it, bro. You might as well just go for the pass. It's looking very good. Anyway, but look at gold, dude. This is why stop losses are important and having them exactly where you want. Demanding a great
All right,
trade
I got out.
location,
Holy
entry, and then
shit.
making sure your
I
stop
got
loss
out.
is exactly where you want it. Because look at how close we got to getting stopped out, and now it flipped on us in our favor. This is a clean example of that. Why we
Yo,
have to
Ice
get
Bag.
the entries we want and demand.
Ice Bag. Look at my screen.
Hang on. Are you out?
I got out, bro. It,
How much are you up on
took
the
a
day?
way big dude, chat. I was literally down. I was literally down like 3,300. Man, I got too emotional. I'm so sorry. I'm normally not like that, but fuck, that was a comeback. I'm so sorry, chat.
Okay, I'm
if
moving
I
my
freaked
stop
in.
loss to $80. So if this fails, then my account is at break even here. $80. $82 for the change.
Yo, why is this bitch texting me now? Who is
So
this?
yeah, if it runs, hell yeah. But I'm kind of questioning how much longer I want to stay in this. Honestly, after a whole hour of consolidation, making us think we're gonna get stuffed out, making us think we're gonna pump. Kind of over it. So if it's going, hell yeah.
Man, I
dude,
should have
silver is
held.
going,
I should
bro.
have held. Should have held. Fuck. It's okay.
No, yeah, silver does. I mean, there was some trades that I took on gold that it didn't happen, but on silver it did.
So, Ice Bag, I need you to hear something right now from me. First-hand experience. So I was trading. I would look at my screen. Look at my screen, Ice Bag.
Yeah.
So I took 3 silver trades. The first one I took your gold trade. I lost 500 on that. Okay. I took a silver trade, and then I lost 1 grand on that. I took another silver trade. I lost 2 grand. I was like, dude, this has to be the base. Like, there's just no way, you know.
Yeah.
And then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna take it. That's why I was kind of quiet. I was like, there's no way I just fucking blew the account.
Dude,
and
it's
then
so
that's
funny
why
because I knew you were doing that.
Yeah, so-
knew you were doing that.
So that's why I was just kind of quiet. I was thinking in my head, I'm like, there's no fucking way that I worked my ass off. So that's why I kind of got like roided up. But
How much are you up on the day right now? What's that say?
$917. Look at my screen. I'm sharing my screen. with
I
you.
could barely see. Dude,
Let me
hell
zoom in
yeah,
for
though.
you.
I mean, you're up. Yeah, take a breather, bro, because this is stuff that gets
Ooh,
to you.
I'm gonna take a cigarette. So I'm locking myself out for an hour. I'm doing this live, locking myself out because that's good. I'm probably not gonna even I'm done trading, so I'm done for the day. So I'm pacing myself. Now I need about 3 grand left. So like, yeah.
Hell
Oh,
yeah.
that's good. W for me. I locked myself out. That's a discipline, chat. I knew what I was doing. Honestly, I knew what I was doing, chat. I just was not having the right entry. The idea was there. You know, road to $1 million. As soon as I get a 5K payout, I'm rolling that into options. It's just this shit is stressful. Dude, I swear you gotta be a psycho to trade silver. You actually have to be a fucking psycho. And this is why I keep telling you guys, I keep lecturing you guys that you need to get a $150,000 account, because if I was on the 50K account, I would have lost the account right now. I would have lost the account. This is why I keep telling you guys, if you are trading futures, do not waste time with 50K, 100K. Get the 150K account so you have a $4,500 drawdown. Now, what I just did was really, really risky. But then again, I knew what I was doing. I'm on top. Winners don't give up. What the fuck you think I felt that one day with silver options? Yeah, bro, you shouldn't be, dude. Don't even be trading, dude. Honestly, once I get funded, I'm not even fucking touching silver. I'm not touching that shit. But it's the fastest way to pass.
Yeah, if you get it on points, the fastest way. Okay, look, gold is
Yeah.
failing to close above this high, so yeah, we could just go back into this range. So I'm very happy this. If it takes me out, GG's. That's it. I'm out.
And you guys even made money on gold, so good job, chat. That was a W, chat. That was like a major W.
Yeah,
That was
oh
a
yeah.
major W.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
But Ice Bag, now that we're almost close to the finish line, so I need about $3,000. So we need like A plus
You know what, bro?
setup.
Fuck it. Just enter long right now. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't do that.
I locked myself up, bro. Fuck that. I'm not doing that. Now it's a 50-50 play, bro. Look, it's a 50-50 play now. I'm not that dumb. I'm dumb, but not that dumb. Man, I'm gonna smoke a cigarette because that's the first thing.
Yeah, man. $200 on $200 at night is not bad, man. It's not bad at all.
Yo, I made like 4,000 and some change because I needed to make those losses back. I locked myself out, so I can't be fucking around. I can't dick around.
Okay, are they gonna take us out or is they gonna fuck with us again? Nice.
On you guys make progress on this. Yo, look at that comeback, Ice Bag, right there. That's what we call a fucking comeback right there, chat. That's how you fucking do it. Oof. Nothing better than having a win. Smoking a cig. It's the best thing on.
That's funny. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff, dude. That was a comeback. Holy shit. 4,000. You're in six micros.
Oh, that wasn't 6 minis?
No, that's 6 micros. If you were in minis,
wait.
you probably would have blown that thing. If you were in a
Dude,
mini.
that was 6. Chat, holy shit, chat. That wasn't even 1 mini. That was 6 micros. 6 micros, and it yielded to those results. Yeah, minis, I would have been
Yeah, if you were in a
cooked.
mini, bro, you would have been done a long time ago.
Yeah, that's why I didn't do minis, because it would have
You
because
said you
it
didn't
dipped
know
out.
you were in minis, bro.
Dude,
you thought
holy shit, yeah,
you thought you were in minis, bro.
Chat, time out. I'm calling it time out. You guys are right. So I thought I was in minis, but now that I think about it, because when I entered silver, I was down 400. I was like, yep, there goes the account, because 4,500. Holy shit! So actually, that was smart. I thought I was in minis. Wow, God actually saved me. He
Yeah,
was looking out.
micros in silver.
Then I would have been
go
out
all the way.
off 1 mini off that pullback. Oh my God, I would have been so pissed. Wait, minis would have been cooked, laughing my ass off.
You would have been smoked if you were in minis.
Oh yeah, holy shit, I would have been smoked. Oh my God.
Matter
Oh
of
my
fact,
God, that
how
would have
much
been
did you
so...
have left before you made this win back? Let me see.
I showed you. It's in the screenshot. Check the screenshot.
Okay, silver. This is regular. Regular.
I mean, it's the same thing, Ice Bag, isn't it?
No, it's not. 3 minis. You said you
No,
were in
no,
three
no, no. Like
minis.
the price is the same. I know, no, no. I know micros and
Oh yeah, my
macros.
practice account rejected my thing. That's crazy. I can't even do minis. Damn, Top Steps. Wow, Top Step is.
Oh yeah, because of the market. The market is
Yeah,
volatile.
bro.
Once those fucking pieces of shit start losing money, now they reverse everything. Fucking
Yeah,
cocksucker. Come suck my dick. Shut the fuck up.
yeah, that's crazy. I can't even see on practice anymore.
Okay, okay, but do micros. See. Ice Bag, I need you to do me a favor. Show me the maximum amount of micros you could trade on silver.
Silver. Let me see. On
Yeah, just do
micro.
it
Yeah, I'll check.
on your practice.
Max that I can do. This is my practice account, by the way.
Yeah,
Let
so
me just
150.
re-emphasize that.
Yeah, it's your practice. Yeah. What's the max?
14. 14.
14?
Yeah.
So you can trade a mini then, right? Because 10 micros is one mini.
Yeah, technically. But look at the
Yo,
spreads. If you
chat.
can pay attention to when I actually enter, look at the
Mhm.
spreads. Look at where my entry actually
Oh,
showed. You see that?
yeah, it show. Oh
That's
shit.
that's the slippage. Wait, am I out of this? Oh, I'm still in gold.
Man, we are way too vulgar tonight. Holy shit. This cigarette finally kicked in.
Nah, good stuff, bro. Do you drink beer? You need one.
I haven't had a beer since the last time I had an alcoholic drink was back in 2021.
Oh, damn. How come?
Yeah, I haven't had a, I
Well,
don't know, it was just kind of a personal choice. I got I get like what you might call it, a little bit too physical, so
oh, it's all good.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I feel it.
Yeah. No, I mean not like I want to fight people, but I would just like kind of be a little bit out of control. So like, yeah, I probably shouldn't do that. I mean, I can control myself. Just I don't know. I mean, I'll go to the bars and stuff. I'll just have a Red Bull. That's about it. And girls would be like, "Oh, what are you drinking?" I'll tell them Red Bull, honey, Red
Too much
Bull.
to drink. You bring out the belt or what? I can definitely
What?
see you bringing out the belt on somebody, for real.
I have beaten somebody with the belt. I have, yeah.
No way.
Yeah. No, I mean, bro, like there's times where maybe I should actually be in jail now, but
Damn.
you know, God's always watching me. Like I pushed somebody off a staircase, you know, when I was wasted. I mean, I used to be like kind of a way bigger guy than I am now, but yeah, like there was a couple times where I've been arrested with the cops. I've always been a bully my whole life. That's the thing. Like, yeah, back in college, like if somebody was looking at me the wrong way, like I'm coming to you and I'm gonna be like, "Do we have a fucking issue here, Habibi? Like, is there an issue that needs to be stated?" I don't care if you're black, white, Asian, Mexican. I did not give a fuck. I lived in back in college. I kind of lived in like a football house, and I think that was maybe the biggest mistake. I lived with football players.
Yeah.
Dude, there
I can
was
see.
this
I
one
can
guy.
see why.
There was this one kid. He was 7 foot tall. Like he entered. Like he entered. They're all like these big black buff players. I'm like, damn, you're a really fucking big nigga. Like you're 7 feet. Like you gotta like duck your head down, bro. And they were just all laughing. One of them tried out like for the pros, but dude, this kid, I swear to God, this guy, this motherfucking kid, and like he was so tall, like I had to look up to the fucking guy when I talked to him. Like I'm close to, I always like joke around how I'm like 5'1". I'm actually close to like 6 foot, but like this guy was fucking tall, bro. Like all tall. Like I'm like, damn. Like I was like a little midget next to him. But yeah, so I lived a couple football players, and dude, those guys when they would get drunk, it was I couldn't even keep up, bro. I don't know what it is with black people. I'm sorry, I have to say this, but you guys are way too fucking addicted to Hennessy and all this bullshit. I'm just like, yo, bro, just like hand me a beer, man. Like, bro, no,
That's
and here's the thing,
crazy.
like I lived with these guys. They'd always be eating chicken. Like, yo, Coops, you want a shot of that Hennessy? Oh, fuck, Silver's going up now. Fuck, I would have passed the account. But yeah, seriously, I don't know what it is about black people. It was like they would always either be drinking Patron, or Hennessy, Patron or Hennessy. I'm like, guys, I just want a beer, man.
W
Yeah,
stop loss on gold. Look, it almost took us out, and we're back up. That's crazy.
yeah, yeah. So, yeah, man, there's a lot of tall people out there. That's for sure. That's for sure. So, back in college, ice bag one
Yeah.
time, I was super wasted. So these guys, they never like locked they never locked the door, you know. But I had a lock on my room, so it always locked. Dude, I woke up and I was like pretty hungover. You know, when you kind of wake up, everything's like dizzy. What the fuck? You know, like what happened? Like all that bullshit, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm like making my coffee and I'm like literally in my boxers. And so there's somebody sleeping on the couch. And so he had the blanket over his face. I'm like, oh wow, you know, maybe it's one of the guys, his friends or whatever. So the guy's there for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I'm like, what the fuck? So I go wake up Omar, and I'm like, yo, Omar, like, did any of your guys' friends like, you know, crash or something? He's like, no, man, like we didn't bring anybody home because they would always be like bringing girls or like, you know, like this guy would bring this girl and he would bang her in the other room or bathroom or whatever. I had my own room and my own bathroom, so nobody like went into my space. And I'm like, dude, who's that on the couch? And four of my other roommates woke up and we're all just kind of like looking. And they're like, Coops, 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 Coops. Just like kind of take the blanket off his face. And I'm like, okay. So I take off the blanket. Bro, it's this white motherfucker. A white motherfucker was sleeping on my fucking couch, like some old white guy who's like 50 years old,
No
homeless.
way.
In my mind, I'm like, what the fuck? So the first thing I did, so Omar's like, oh my God, Coops, we got a white man in the house. Coops, who is this? Who is this? And I'm like, dude, I don't like, what do I do? And like, and I'm like, you guys like bench like 300 pounds and you're asking the smallest guy to do something. So I'm like, so we're all like, you know what? I'm gonna get a golf club. Maybe he has a gun or something. He's like, yeah, get the golf club, get the golf club. So I kind of like start poking him, you know, like to wake him up. I'm like, hey. And I'm like, what are you doing here? He's like, I don't know. He was like, I don't know what the fuck he was saying. But I was like, so I start poking him. I was like, hey, you gotta get out. But you know, I'm kind of street smart. I was like, whoa, come here, come here, come here. Like, what? I was like, before you get out, you got to take off your pants.
What the
And they all look at me like, wait, why are you making him do that? Because I was like, what if this motherfucker stole something from us? You know, what's in his pockets? Check his pockets. They all start checking his pockets. You know, this guy had a lottery ticket and a ripped up cigar. And I was like, yeah, bro, like, what the fuck, man? So we like had to like Clorox the whole couch. And yeah,
Damn.
I got so many college stories. It's unbelievable. Like, unreal.
Hey, you said you have your master's in something?
Yeah, I have my master's in public health. Like I
Sheesh.
I act stupid maybe, but I'm not really that stupid. I'm more street smart than book smart, but I hated school. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I've never been good at school. I mean, I can't relate, dude. You got your master's, I don't. I got my PhD, my public high school diploma. That's all I got.
Bro, even if they paid me to go back to college, I mean, I would never. I couldn't even do it no more. Like the drinking, the parties, the ladies. Oh my God, I knew like almost every girl on campus. I'd just like go up to them and be like, "Oh my God, what is your name? What is your name? Can I get your number, please? Come to my house." And I had this one girl, like the hottest blonde girl. Oh my god. God, like if my Samsung, so I don't know if anybody knows how to revive a cell phone, but that's where all the memories on. And that phone is broken. It doesn't turn on, and I forgot the password to it. That phone will unlock a whole version of Coobs that you've never seen before. I'm telling you guys.
Just put it
Just put
in
it in, right?
rice.
Yo, the screen is shattered. The whole like I tried turning on the screen, but like that phone is so ancient. If I could ever recover all the videos that I have of all the drinking, of all the partying, of all the girls that I'm like, hey, take off your top, let's see. But maybe it's for the best. Maybe it's for the best.
That's funny, dude.
Maybe it's for the best.
I try, dude. I
Yeah,
mean, again, like I cannot relate, dude. You're obviously way more ahead, but I tried going to community college. I just couldn't, bro. I just couldn't.
I went to Minnesota State University. So here's the thing: for my master's degree, I actually got accepted in the University of Chicago, and I went there for a semester, and I lived out actually in Chicago for 6 months. And then I kind of looked back. I'm like, do I really want to pay 130K for this? So then I dropped out, went back to Minnesota State, um, get my master's. I got a full ride scholarship, but I don't know, man. College taught me one thing: is how to talk to girls. That's it. Literally, that's it. That's
Yeah, high
it.
school just
That's
for
it.
me.
That's what it really just taught me.
High school just for me, man.
Yeah. I will say though, high school for me was crazier than college. So
Not me. I was a little pussy. I was shy. I couldn't talk to anybody. I was a little shy pussy.
man, I was a guy who was in the newspaper, that threw a party at his house and had his house
You were
trashed.
you would bring the teachers an apple too?
Oh, I actually had to call the cops on my own party because I couldn't control it anymore. I came home. My dad whipped me for the belt. I think for like a straight month because there was so much damage. Oh yeah.
No way,
Oh yeah.
bro.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
My parents literally had a brand new basement, smashed walls, smashed TV, cigarettes, weed all over the basement. Oh my
Wow.
god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the way I did it is I handed out flyers and I didn't think anybody would show up to my party. And then next thing you know, there's like 300, 400 kids at my house. And I'm like, yeah, this is kind of a bad idea, I think.
That's crazy, dude. I know in senior year I ended up throwing a party too and and yeah, I did not think as many people showed up. I didn't keep count, but it was a pretty solid party. My
So
my
he, so
uncle ended up coming out because we were getting threatened because we were throwing the party and the group of dudes came up and they came in, they paid like, a little entrance fee, and then they wanted to leave like 15 minutes and they were talking shit to us like, oh, this shit's not even popping. And they show up like an hour or two early. I'm like, bro, it doesn't start till 10. And they leave. And then it just got filled up with people. And they come back and we didn't let them in. And so they started threatening us with like gang shit. I'm like, dude, shut up, bro. Like, this is like, first of all, I'm not in any of that. But my uncle is. And, well, was. But I guess he doesn't take that lightly. And so we told him about that. Hey, like, we don't know what's going to go on. We just got threatened. And he wanted us to kick people out. So, yeah.
yeah. So Ice Bay, you want to hear something really fucked up?
What's up?
The 5 core guys that I hung out in high school with, I'm 36 now. The 5 guys that I hung out with, they're all dead.
No way.
They're all dead. Can you imagine that?
Well, can I ask
Your
how?
5 high school buddies that you grew up with, 7th until senior year of high school, they're all dead. All of them.
Can I ask how, or is that like something you just won't share?
Oh, no, it's okay. The first one had cancer, so he died senior year in high school.
No way.
My other friend had a heart attack, he died. My other friend had a stroke, he died. Then my other friend, this one's kind of sad. He killed his girlfriend and he killed himself.
Damn.
Yeah, it was kind of fucked up. Like I knew he was like fucked up, but not like that fucked up. So that was like all over, the news and CNN and everything. And yeah, it was pretty sad, to be honest.
Dude, that's crazy, dude. I don't even know what to
So
say to
it
any of
was
that.
Yeah, so it was all over the news, and like reporters are coming in, and I'm just like, oh my god. When I saw the news, I didn't believe it. Like he drove. So I know he was a very violent person, and I was kind of scared to hang out with him sometimes. Like he was a very nice guy. He was supposed to go, play basketball and stuff, and I'm just like, hey Dave, like I think you're a D1 athlete, whatever. So we would always be smoking and stuff. And then all of a sudden he started getting into heroin. And I'm like, hey, I don't think you should be doing this, bro. Like it's a bad idea, blah, blah, blah. He's like, oh, I'm gonna be going to your college next year and it's gonna be dope. I remember he came to my university. This guy was so big. There was an NFL player called Bernard Berrien. I don't know if anybody knows him, wide receiver for Chicago Bear. So he was at my house party and he was with Dave's ex-girlfriend. And Dave saw Bernard Berrien, aka NFL player, and
Yeah.
started choking him at the party. And I'm like, Dave, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Like, you can't be doing this. And all of a sudden, he just punches his ex straight in the face, blood all over her face. I take her to my room, I lock her in. I'm like, you're probably not safe.
Yeah.
And then Dave just starts breaking. And this guy was like 6'4", maybe like 280. So he's kind of a big guy. Like, he's a big guy. And, I calmed him down. I'm like, Dave, I think you need to go home. You need to forget about this girl. She's like with an NFL star, blah, blah, blah. He's like, yeah, you're right, Coobs. Like, I'm so sorry. And I was like, bro, like, you're about to kill me, man. Like, I'm scared of you. So long story short, he starts dating this really attractive girl. And I think she started to see how violent he was. So she's like, I don't want to be with you anymore. And Dave can't take rejection. And I don't know why. He's just never taken rejection. So he's like, okay, I want to talk to you. And she's like, okay. And he's like, okay, come in my Jeep, come in my Jeep. And she's like, okay, but she didn't bring her cell phone with her, okay?
Uh-huh.
And he brings her in the Jeep. He brings her in the Jeep. He takes her to a cliff and he shoots her.
Damn.
Okay? He shoots her. All of a sudden, the next day, I try calling Dave, whatever. I'm like, hey man, like how you doing? Yada yada, no answer. And I get a call back and he just said these words to me. He's like, man, you are the realest guy I've ever met. He's like, you always had my back. I just wanted to say thank you so much. Like just I wish you the best. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you, bro? You okay? He's like, Coobs, I gotta go, but I just want to let you know you were the real like OG. And I was like, okay, cool. Next thing you know it, I see this guy on TV. I see him on TV live. Because the police was questioning him. The girlfriend, she's missing. They came to his house. She's like, no, I didn't do it. Yada yada. I don't know where she is. So they're like, Dave, we need to come talk to you at the police station. Please come. And he's like, okay. And he showed up to the police station and committed suicide there. He shot himself in the head.
Wow.
Yeah. So that was like a big, big tragedy. Tragedy. So
Dude,
pretty
that's
sad
crazy,
story.
man.
The fucked up part is the girl that he was with, I knew her really good. And then I knew Dave good, but I don't know, man. Just sad. I think he went through a really, 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 really dark place.
Yeah. That's nuts, man.
Um, yeah, Nick also died too last year. It was pretty sad. So yeah, I've been all my friends' funerals. I'm the last man standing. Well, dude, I thought I was gonna be one of them because last year I suffered my heart attack too. Ice bag. I suffered my heart attack too last summer.
Yeah, I remember that. I think it was when I first came around. You were going through that.
Yeah. Excuse me, no, not last summer, the summer before. Excuse me, not last summer. In 2024, I suffered a heart attack. I fell down to my knees. I literally fell down to my knees.
Dude, okay, so how does that like how did that what was that experience?
So this is what happened, okay? I swear to God, Ice Bag, it was the most fucked up thing. So I'm literally sitting down, okay? And I
Yeah.
had chest pain. I couldn't breathe all of a sudden. And I'm in the middle of a trade. I'm in the middle of a trade and I'm down $5,000. And I'm like,
Damn.
holy shit, how did I lose this money? Whatever. The chest pain started coming. The chest pain started coming. I was like, I need to call 911. So at the time, I called my ex and I was like, hey, um, you need to know the password to my phone because it literally has my whole life. And so I texted it to her and she's like, where are you? Where are you? I was like, I'm literally right now at the mosque at church. And she's like, I need you. She's like, Noor, I need you to go drink some water right now and just stand next to somebody. So I did as soon as she told me to do. And then I was like, I'm not gonna make it. And I'm feeling my heart and my chest. Like when you have a heart attack, it feels like your chest, like somebody just squeezing you from each side. You can't breathe anymore. So I literally see this 6-year-old boy and his father. I said, hey guys, I don't feel good, but this is the password to my phone. If anything happens, just please stick with me. And as soon as I give him my phone, I just remember I fell on my knees and I fell straight to the floor. And then I woke up with the ambulance and I'm rushed to the hospital and everything. But after I went through that,
Damn, bro.
um yeah. So, dude, this family, they were so nice. So, my father comes running. My girlfriend at the time, who was a nurse, comes running, and literally, I'm just rushed to the hospital. I don't know what's going on anymore. I'm not like pretty much conscious, and all I remember saying is my phone, my phone, my phone. That's all I was saying was my phone. But I remember I fell to the knees. Everything looked black. It's like my brain shut off.
Yeah.
I just said, God, if this is my last moments, I'm so sorry, please forgive everything that I've done. And, I just fell on my knees and I fell face first and everything was black. Everything. And they're trying to revive me, revive me. And then all of a sudden, like, I kind of woke up. But the aftermath of when you have a heart attack, it's literally like you got hit by a bus. Literally hit by a bus.
Dude, that's
And like my
nuts, bro.
blood, yeah, my blood pressure was like, I think like 200 and some there, the doctors were saying. So they were reviving me, dude. One doctor's like, he's like, dude, he's like, you are one strong kid. He's like, I didn't think you're gonna make it.
Damn.
And my mom
That's
was like
crazy.
sobbing for the whole hour. She's like, how could you do this? How could you do
Oh,
this? And I'm like, I'm here, I'm back, I'm back.
yeah.
So yeah.
That's nuts,
But
dude.
last year I had surgery. I had some clogged arteries. I had some clogged arteries that got taken care of. But man, that's what happens when you smoke, guys. That's what happens when you smoke. I've cut back a lot. I've only limit myself maybe to 3 cigarettes a day, but I was smoking like 2, 3 packs a day. So, and probably with the stress of like trading, and high stress and pressure, maybe that plays into it. And the lifestyle that I have of being busy, and so it adds up, guys. Literally, your health is your wealth. Like, do
Yeah,
not
man.
smoke. I'm telling you.
Um, I need sorry, I need to go mute and go check on my daughter. She's waking up.
So
So,
yeah, chat. The number one advice I could tell you is your health is your wealth. If you feel like you're declining, if you feel you don't feel good, if you feel like you have high anxiety when you trade, that shit will get to you, man. That shit will get to you. Ask me. I've I've suffered it, firsthand. But I've like 90% quit, but I still sometimes need the nicotine in me. But yeah, chat, your health is your wealth. Make sure you guys are working out, run on the treadmill every day, play basketball, play soccer, play something that's going to keep the cardiovascular system going. So I'm pretty much like, pretty much 100% recovered, but maybe, God revived me and he saw something in me. And yeah, we're back, baby. We're back, though. We're back. We are back. Yeah, that's my story. Holy shit. So by this summer, it'll be the 2-year anniversary of that. I guess the Illuminati couldn't take me down. Ha 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 ha. I'm telling you, man, I swear to God, that shit is real. The Illuminati, that shit is real. When they see somebody going way up, I'm gonna take you out. Yeah, bro. Honestly, guys, like, God forbid everybody lives a long life, but when like your time is up on this earth, you'll know what I'm talking about. Like everything shuts off. Like everything. Like you can't move, you can't do anything. That's it. And maybe you hear voices for like 5 minutes, but you can't move. You can't move, you can't do nothing. That's what having a heart attack felt like. Like I could hear people and everything, but I couldn't move. I couldn't move. I was struck. It's like literally when you have a heart attack, I kid you not, the after effects, I swear to God, my body was so tired. And they're doing the CPR on you, and like people are like they're hitting on my chest. It felt like I got hit by a bus, bro. Like my chest was bruised. Like that shit will take you out. That shit will take you out. I don't care if you bench 400 pounds, 300 pounds. That shit will take you out. If anybody's a smoker in here, you vape, you smoke, you gotta cut that shit. I'm telling you right now, suffered it firsthand. Not fun. Not fun at all. Yeah, the loss of control. Once you lose control, bro, it's fucked up. To be honest, it's really fucked up. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. But yeah, chat, that's my story. So when people ask me all the time, "Oh, are you doing anything with your friends?" Like, bro, all my friends are dead, man. All dead. It's literally the Lone Ranger, like the Power Rangers. The only person who survived. Oh, you guys are my friends, though. Shit, I forgot to feed my cat. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. This fucker eats too much. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, please type in the comments how many of you guys took the gold trade with Ice Bag, and if you are green, how much money did you end up making? Sorry, I was kind of rambling off for like the past hour and a half. While you guys are typing, I'll be back in a minute. Gotta give the cat some food before this guy kills me.
Yeah, man. I mean, the volume for sure left, bro. But again, W. We stuck through it. We ended up green, and now we're yeah, man. NQ, bro. NQ went nowhere. NQ since we opened up, that was right here at this candle. We went nowhere. We're still in the range. We went nowhere at all, bro. So NQ is very boring right now. Gold, it did give us a solid move, but I spent this trade just making back the $80 loss from NQ. So it's all good. But it's very unfortunate too, just because, you know, I would have been up if I never got stopped out here at break even. Would have been up 700, but ended up trying to catch more of this move and it fell flat. But we're up still. So let's see. Let's see what happens.
Okay, I'm back. Oh, Anno, you missed it. I want to see how you trade silver. Dude, Anno, you missed it. So I was on like $3,500 and I came back from the dead and I literally revived the account. Oh.
But yeah, I was just telling dude, NQ just went nowhere, bro.
I guess silver was the move.
Yeah. Okay, stopped out. Yeah, stopped out for profit. Up $2, a dollar more than earlier. Oh my gosh.
Icebag, Icebag, I have to show you something, Icebag.
Yeah, what's up?
Look at my screen.
Hang on. Let me move you here. Let's see.
So I'm gonna walk you through the trade, okay?
Yeah, for the one you just took.
So obviously we were in a put. You guys can see that, the put, right? And I was following this base. I said, okay, it kind of hit here. It's starting to go up. Came back down, I was unsure. Then I see this candle right here. So I take my, oops. I see green candle, green candle. I take my entry right here. Okay.
Yeah.
I see it coming down and I see it coming down. This move alone right here. And I was only in 4 micros. This move alone in here yielded me to negative 2,800. Okay. So then I was like, okay, so this wasn't the entry, but I knew right here was my base. And I said, there 2 things are going to happen. This is going to break down and fall below. So my longs or calls, whatever you want to call them, are not validated. I see this candle. I see this candle. And we're back above the 20 EMA. And I was so hesitant. I was like, this has to be it. Like, there's no way it's going to chop and come back down. So I literally took my entry. Then, oh yeah, brush is right here. I literally took my entry right here. And then I had a pullback. And that pullback, that tiny move, chat. And how many micros was I in? That tiny pullback was already at negative 580. It was already at negative 580. Like, this is how crucial silver is. So this move right here, chat, this move right here that you're seeing, this small move of 7 micros or 6 micros, I can't remember, that small move right there that I took literally netted me and got me out of 3,500. This netted me about like what, 4,300 or 200.
Yeah, around there.
So sometimes you just have to know what you're doing and what you're catching. But I knew for a fact that, okay, this does not break. This was my base right here. This had to be it. And that's why I took the move. That's why I took the trade, I mean.
That's crazy, dude. I
Yeah.
was like, if you were
Yeah.
in 3 minis, that would have been nuts.
No, I because off the pullback, I would have lost the account, Icebag.
That what?
If I was in 3 minis, that pullback that I showed you where I was down $580, I would have lost the account.
Yeah. Yeah, no, for sure. But good stuff, dude. That was a mean old bounce back.
I'm going to be honest with you, Icebag, and very transparent with you. I think trading silver is good, actually. You just need to know where it's going, and you need to pick the direction. I know that sounds really fucking generic, but honestly, bro, if you hit the trade, you hit the trade. And you guys witnessed me do it live.
Yeah, I would be more inclined to do it if I had a bit better buffer.
But here's the thing, still broke as fuck. If it moves too quick, though, and you are looking for that 400, 500 to even a grand, then that's a quick scalp. Like, that's your move right there. So, I don't know. I like I said, trading silver is very dangerous, as you guys witnessed.
But see, silver is also the reason why like Top Step is putting all these limitations.
Really?
Yeah, that because a lot of people are making over $100,000 on it.
But Icebag, I don't understand these people that are making over 100K. Like, you can only, your max payout is 5K. So, like, even if you did make that money, let's say you make $100,000 the first round, but based on what you told me, you have to do it again in order to get the second payout.
No, you don't have to make another 100,000. So if your account is at 100,000, then you can. What they're asking for you to do now is, if you take a 5K payout, now they ask that you bring your account that extra 5K that you took out. From my understanding,
Oh,
so you don't have to make another 100,000. That's crazy. Um,
okay.
and so okay,
So
look, this is the thing. This is the
okay.
thing that we'd never really talk about. But when you take 5 payouts with Top Step, they move you to a live account. That live account, then all that 100,000, 100% of that is your money. They cap you out at $150,000. So if you have a $200,000 account, then 50,000 doesn't go to your live account. Okay, when you're in a live account, you're officially transferred in, and you get into a live account. You have to get 30 winning days, and after those 30 winning days, you can request 100% of your earnings. So if you have 100K, 150K, after those 30 days, then you can withdraw 100% of that money.
So okay. So let me try to understand this. So I moved to a live account. Okay, after five payouts. So that
Consecutive
100K
payouts
is
on the same
in
account, not different accounts.
And I request that whole 100K or no?
Not right after. Yeah, after you get into a live account, you have to have another 30 winning days, not 5, 30 winning days, and then you can request your 100% of your gains.
But
So-
what's the like stop loss or trail or whatever?
So at that point now, at a live account, once you're in a live account, at that point now you're dealing with the risk team from Top Step. So every
Okay.
trader gets a daily loss limit of 3,000. You cannot go past that. So if you
Okay.
lose 3,000 in a day, that's it. You're locked out. You don't have a say in that. It's the risk team at Top Step. They don't let you just full port your 150K, you know?
Oh, yeah, obviously.
Because that's obviously
but
their
so-
money that they're gonna have to pay you if you get your 30 winning days. It's your money,
Okay.
but it's also theirs because they're a business.
Okay, but what is like the maximum that you could lose in order to lose a live account?
The whole account.
So there's none of that BS anymore. Oh my God, like I have a 4,500 loss
Nope.
or whatever.
Because it's a live account. So, okay. Okay. So, understand this. If you are, let's say your account is at 10,000, that's what your P&L is.
Yeah.
That 10,000 gets transferred into a live account, meaning that it's 100% of your money. So, it's the same thing as a funded, but if you have like 100,000 to 150,000, all they do is limit you to $3,000 loss a day. There's no like trailing drawdown. Well, technically it is, but it's 100% of your money, and that's what the whole dilemma is with silver right now. Is that a lot of people are making money, and then if you look on Twitter, a lot of people are getting upset because they're not getting their live accounts. Nobody's getting these live accounts because in turn they want to withdraw all that money. So what does that mean for Top Step? If everybody has to pay out all these traders, what does that mean for them?
They'll go broke.
Yeah, they would be still broke as fuck.
But so I guess in your educate me on this. Would you say a live account is better than copy trading 5 accounts?
I would say no. Okay, look, there's 2 sides to that. Me, personally, if you're asking me, I would like to get to a live account just so I can say I did it. But if I withdraw all my money, then I can go back to Express accounts. It's not like I lose that money and then I'm just banned from Top Step. There are people that decide to just withdraw and just go back to the funded stage, to the eval, to the Express. That's still optional for you. So it's not like you go to a live account and you just stay there. But for me, it's more so a personal goal that I want to do it just because so I can say I did it.
So you need 5 payouts in a row?
Yes, but off the same account. You can't get a payout, blow it, and then get another account and get a payout. It has to be from the same account. There was one time I got close. I was 2 payouts away. But I ended up tilting and I blew it. But it's not as bad when you blow it because it makes it worth it when you actually get a payout, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the whole thing. But I mean, just think about it. If you copy trade 5 accounts, then you can get max payout of 25K.
Man, can you imagine every 5 days you're getting 25K
Dude.
in the bank?
Every 5 days you can get 25K. That's pretty cool.
Yo, chat, that's the level that we need to do, chat. Seriously, that's what we need to do, chat. 25 bands a week, 100K a month, chat. I know some JB Valve or where is he? JB Balvin. I know that chick would come to life if I made 25K in 1 week.
And that's the whole thing with like prop firms. Like, yes, I can go ahead and start my real account and stuff, but I would rather gain for less.
Yeah.
And L7 here on YouTube is asking, isn't it better to get all your profits and then open your own live account, still milking prop firms? Yes, you could do that, but I think I would rather just milk. I mean, that right there is completely your own preference and how you want to go about it. But of course, again, prop firms are a stepping stone. They're not meant to be forever. They're a rinse and repeat process. So it's like, yeah, it sucks to blow accounts, but it's just part of the process. It is part of the process. Of course, that's not the goal, you know? Let's not just go off and just do whatever and blow it. But if it happens, it happens. I mean, everyone tilts. I mean, we're all human. Gold just left you? Yeah, it's still pushing up. But yeah, man. Yeah, dude, silver's moving, dude. Are you unlocked on your account?
Sorry?
Silver is moving.
Yeah, I'm locked, bro. It'll unlock me in 7 minutes, but I went through a roller coaster. So.
I know, dude. I don't even care what happens right now. I'm kind of just taking a break after being in that gold trade for that long. So
yeah.
If something's like super obvious, I'll hop in. But at the moment, I'm just chilling with you guys here.
Made $900 today. I'll take it. You took the silver trade right now. Still broke as fuck.
What a do, baby?
Hey yo.
Oh, bro, you missed it.
Dude,
missed it, bro.
Coobs, tell Hefe all about your silver trade right now.
Bro, I was down. I was down in the gutters, and I just came back to life, baby. I was in there and screaming, bro. You missed it, man. I mean, you missed the show. To be you literally missed the show.
That's hella funny,
bro. I was like raging. I was like roid raging on the computer, bro. The chat heard things that they never thought they would hear. They saw the real version of Coobs. They saw the real version.
dude. That's hella funny. What were you in? Shorts or longs?
He was in everything, sideways, upside down.
Bro, so here's the thing. I entered the position twice, and I was down 3,500. And I'm like, yep, I probably blew the account. So I was kind of silent, and Icebag was just kept talking. I was like, okay, and he thought I was in gold longs, but I was actually in long silvers. That shit paid me like 4,200. But bro, I came back from the dead, and I made 1K profit off just 7 or 6 micros. I posted the screenshot in the chat. You could check.
6 fucking micros of silver, bro. You're crazy, dog.
Dude, he was in 6 micros, bro. He thought he was in minis. I was like, you would have been cooked a long time ago.
Bro, I was yelling at the computer. I was yelling shit. I like literally lost my voice. It was crazy, man. You had to be there for it.
Well, he's up. He's up. He managed to get out of it.
I'm up.
And I knew it because he was he was so quiet. I knew he was up to something.
I'm so fucking mad, bro. Like I had these combines, right? This is twice I'm doing this shit, bro. I
said
fucking
fucking
forgot
annoying, bro.
I forgot to click automatically apply risk profit bracket to new positions.
What does that mean? What does
It
that
auto
mean?
stop puts a stop loss for you and take profit and stuff.
Yeah, I fucking
Okay.
forgot to do that shit this morning, and I totally forgot I fucking put a fucking fill on silver, and then when I came back to my shit like a couple hours ago, I was like, "What the fuck, dude? I didn't even take a trade. I was fucking blown, dude." I was so mad, dude. Oh
Bro,
god, dude.
I swear to God, losing a combine is so depressing. I'd rather get rejected from a girl 50 million times than lose a combine. That shit makes me hella
Bro, I
depressed.
was so pissed, dude. I was like, bro, that's 3 combines, dude, just gone. Like, I didn't even get to trade.
Bro,
I didn't even get to trade it.
bro,
I
I've
was like,
literally
bro,
blown over like 50
like, what
combines with Ice Bag, bro.
the
I've literally blown like Ice Bag has literally got me bankrupt with this combine futures, bro. It's so frustrating.
Yeah, bro, it's fucking irritating, dude.
But I've learned one thing, bro. It's all about that risk management, man. Literally, like in futures, we can't do the same thing how we trade options. There's just no way.
Oh,
Futures
100%
is
you
a
can.
whole different ball game. Whole
I
different
mean,
ball game.
technically you could. You just don't have the fucking patience to. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah,
it's
dude, we just sat in his
crazy.
gold trade
Because
for
like,
like
'cause, like,
over an hour, and that shit was like putting me to
yeah,
sleep.
the trade could well go over an hour, and like options, like we're our job, like our main goal is to in and out because Theta's obviously gonna hit
Yeah.
super hard, right?
Yeah.
And like you ain't gotta fucking like we're not used to waiting like hour and a half or whatever. Yeah, it could happen sooner, but lots of times it doesn't. You know what I mean? Like sometimes it'll just come
Oh,
back, and then you're just like, fucking 30 minutes, and you're like, fuck, want to get another trade? Nah,
I
man,
know.
I will say though, I do like trading futures more than I do with options. But bro, like I said before, and I've said this all the time. I feel like I'm trading in a box, like with all the like the stop loss and everything, and it's just difficult. That's why difficult. Oh, you don't have any combines on Hefe?
I just bought another fucking set, dude. God damn it, dude.
Um,
My wife's like, "What the fuck did you spend $1,000 on fucking Top Step?" Like,
Man,
uh,
Ice Bag, I would have passed the account, bro.
only
I
if
would
you
have passed the
knew.
account.
Only if you knew. It was the fastest $1,000 I've lost.
Yo,
God,
dude, those combines are literally like are literally like drugs, bro. They're literally
yeah,
drugs.
I'm fucking
They're so
buying. I'm
addictive.
buying 3 fucking 100K fucking combines
yeah,
every fucking time. It's like
that's the thing about it.
100 fucking. It's like $400, right? Like per fucking per buy.
Yeah, bro. They're like
And I've
drugs.
done
They're
it
like
three
drugs.
times already. It's like fuck, and 2 of them weren't even fucking. I didn't even trade, dude. Like I just fucking keep forgetting to put the stupid ass fucking. I forget. I gotta stop trading when I'm trading options because when I'm moving through the charts and shit, I'm not watching futures. You know what I mean? And I put
Yeah.
like, I'll be stupid and put like a fucking fill, and then I'll completely forget about it because I'm so hyped up with what we're doing in the live, and then I'll forget. But then like it's been bad because I just keep forgetting to click that stupid fucking button, bro. That's oh god.
Oh, bro, you want to talk about hyped up? I was like literally, I was roaring at the screen. I was so hyped up. I was so jacked. I
Even
was
I'm
so
not even gonna
jacked.
fucking I'm not even gonna I'm just gonna do 50K combines, dude. Fuck the 100. Dude, I'm spending like a fucking
Fuck
100
you!
million.
Why are you doing? No! I just gave a lecture on this, bro. Don't do that. Get the 150K combines. Get
No,
one
how about this?
150K.
How about you fucking fuck your lecture, all right? And just say, look, I need to fucking get a payout. Let me fucking do the 50K, get a payout, then I'll listen to your lecture and get the fucking 100K.
I'm telling you, bro, from experience.
Let me do that shit, dude.
I know. I'm in a 50K. Like,
Yeah, dude, like you can still make money, right? Like all I gotta
oh,
do,
yeah.
like I mean, I would be happy. I would be happy with making like $1,000 per account. That's like $3,000 per week. That's fucking
Yeah.
solid, dude. That's like an extra $12,000 a month, dude. Fire, bro. On top of like the fucking 40K that I'm bringing in, like, dude, it's fucking solid, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck
Well,
yeah.
see, here's the issue. It's like at some
I guess
point,
I just put it on
at
everything
some
that has
point,
a picture.
like if I keep throwing thousands of dollars, my wife's gonna be like, bro, like when the fuck are you just gonna stop, dude? Just fucking, you just it's like it's like, are you getting anything out of this? No, I'm not. I'm just fucking losing money. I'm just fucking losing money, dude. It's fucking stupid.
Tell her Coobs is making me do it.
Yeah, dude, it's fucking, it's crazy, man. Like, it's like, at least this is like more manageable. It's like 200 something bucks. No, it's too late for cookies. Yeah, well, Jay's finished his food fast, dude, and you took forever. So that's why you're not getting cookies. It's too late.
Why
But
is
you
it
can
too
have
late for
cookies
cookies?
tomorrow.
Okay?
How about that? Okay,
Give the kid a cookie.
bro. It's like fucking almost 9 o'clock, dog.
Just give him an Oreo cookie, bro.
You ain't got to deal with that energy rush.
I mean,
Yeah, that fucking that
sugar.
burst of energy is crazy, bro. It's like they're hyped up on like fucking on that coca,
I
dude.
swear, I would have passed the account.
But yeah, dude. At least like 250 versus 400. That's solid. Bro. I'm fucking do that shit all day right now.
Okay, well, gold is moving up slowly, but I'm over that trade. Just being in it that long, I'm just over it.
I gotta leave and like I gotta hold on, get up. I gotta type in my message real quick, and then I gotta go meet this fucking weirdo. Sell my Pokemon cards, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I have hella single packs, and this
Oh, yeah,
dude's
you were telling
coming.
me, yeah.
I posted it on freaking on OfferUp, and it was like, he's like, bro, can I give you $30? Hey, can you guys get out of here, please?
No. What?
Huh?
Which jerk you said?
No, I didn't say jerk. Go.
Well, what did you say?
Huh?
What did you say?
Nothing. Go.
I heard it.
Go,
Thank
Go. Go. What's want me to brush teeth? Okay. All right. Yeah. So I posted on OfferUp, and this guy got he's got like 10 stars, but like he like the way he talks on through text, he's freaking weird, man. Like he's like, hey man, driving from the city, and like me and him been in this conversation for like a couple months now. Like I'm not even kidding, bro. Like I
Damn.
think the initial conversation started like 2.5 months ago, and then like he'd always catch me at a bad time, but like I was just, or like I'd catch him at a bad time, and he would just completely ghost me. And the next thing you know, he hits me up. He's like, "All right, I'm leaving the city, bro. I'm promised I'm gonna be there, right?" And then like he asks me for a discount. I'm like, because I had him listed for $40 a pack, and I was like, bro, I can do 35. He's like,
Yeah.
bro, can you do 30? I'm like, nah, nigga, 30. That's hella off. And then because they're going for like $40 right now on eBay.
Yeah.
How much did you buy the pack for initially?
How much did I buy the pack for initially, bro?
Yeah.
I spent $200 on a booster pack of 36. So what does that come out to be? Let's see. 200 divided by 36. Yeah, I spent $5.50 per pack, dude. That's a fucking that's an 800% return, my guy. Or well,
so wait,
well, it says
why are you
600%.
why are you selling the pack? You haven't opened them yet, so you just kind of want. Is it like, are you trying to flip?
Nah, dude. So like basically, I had these booster boxes, and back in the day, I used to break cards, like when the whole fucking COVID thing and Pokemon and sports cards popped the fuck up. And so I was
Yeah.
breaking cards for a minute, and then I bought a fuck ton of Pokemon, and I just had a bunch left, and like I actually made like these fucking like personal packs and shit, dude. And so I broke like 2 booster, break bosses. that was my name, and I used to break I had a bunch of like booster packs that were like separated from the, like I opened up from the booster boxes. And I have like
Mhm.
fucking like 70 of them, dude. And I was like looking at the time, dude, they weren't worth as much, but I'm gonna get shit for you. You're gonna get robbed. Dude, I have so much shit. Dude, I have so much unopened wax in my fucking closet right now. My entire closet in my man cave is like straight up just fucking cards shit, dude. I have like fucking like 5 massive like 3 foot by 5 feet boxes.
Damn.
Holy
And
shit.
yeah, dude, and they're just full of cards, dude. Like I probably have like, yeah, I got hella cards, bro. Hella cards, dude. But yeah, so I'm trying to sell these like single packs and just make some extra cash, right? And he's like, um, he asked for 10. And I was like, all right, that's cool, man. And then next thing you know, dude, he just like he texted me, he's like, I'm on the way, bring 15, bro. I'm like, damn, nigga, can't even say, can you bring 15? Like, what if I didn't even have that shit? Fucking crazy, man. So now I'm kind of like,
So he's coming to your house, or are you meeting him somewhere?
no, I'm meeting him at fucking 7-Eleven, dude. I'm like, yo, get your ass in, bro. I'm about to buy a Slurpee, dude. We can don't sell that.
Shit, bro. I'd meet him at the bank during the day.
Maybe a Starbucks.
Or Starbucks too.
Paranormal here on YouTube. No, I'm not in anything right now. I was long, but took too long. Got out of break even and got bored of it.
It's funny when I used to sell whenever I wanted to get rid of something or sell something, I'd always tell people just meet me at Coob's, but they don't know I'm the owner at Coob's. I'd be like, yeah, just meet me at this restaurant. It's in the middle of both of us. I'd always meet people there.
Gold looks like it wants to keep pushing though. I will say. Bro,
What are
can
you
you
up
win
on the
this?
trade? I expect.
Huh?
What are you up?
$2. I'm up $2.
It.
I got out of break even, so I'm up $2 on this. Yeah, man. Shit took way too long.
Man.
I mean, NQ. I mean, I want to believe it'll happen. I mean, look, we're still up. We're making our way up again. So, if you look on the 30-minute, I mean, this is still resistance that it keeps retesting. So, if we can get it closed, I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to trying again. We're not going lower, that's for sure. So let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, dude, silver. I mean, you're playing with fire at that point if you're scalping. Because if you're scalping and it goes the wrong way within the first few seconds, you're toast.
We're fucked.
Dude, I should be up. I should be up over probably $1,000 right now.
Holy shit, that silver candle. Oh my god. I would have passed the iconic.
I should have been up like $1,000 if I never got out at break even here down here. That's how much I should have been up. Let's talk about that. That was some tomfoolery there.
Yeah, let's talk about that.
Okay, let's see. Silver. What candle are you talking about?
Look at silver, bro. Or the last candle that just happened.
On what?
Silver on the last minute. That candle's huge.
No, but I mean like on the minute or the.
Yeah, on the minute.
Yeah.
Let me share. Look at my screen. Look at my screen.
Broke. I'm not in.
Look at my-
I'm not in anything, by the way. I'm on.
Look at my
Gold
screen.
too. I'm not in anything.
That candle's huge.
Oh yeah. That one. Yeah. Silver futures. Yeah, dude.
So Ice Bag, just out of curiosity, so at that point, what you witnessed, would have you stayed in the trade or would have you gotten out? You think I made the right decision?
I think you made the right decision because you were down. But if I was in it, and it was like the first trade and it was going that well, I probably would have stayed in it just to try and pass. Cause look where we are from when you exit. You would have passed.
Yeah.
We consolidated, but you would have been up. You probably would have passed. That would have been it.
Yeah.
But I don't think you did wrong by exiting when you did, because you were down, almost about to blow it, and
Yeah.
you're up now. I need to take a whiz. I'll be right back.
Well, Hefe, do we have any news tomorrow or anything that I need to look out for in the morning? I thought, hold on, still broke as fuck. I thought the government shutdown wasn't happening anymore. I swear the government shuts down every week, it seems like. It'll take a day for that data to get right. Delayed data. Hmm. Oh, man. Yeah, data may come out or it may get delayed. Fuck.
Hmm.
Yeah, shit's making me depressed, bro.
Silver, bro. Oh, I know Broke's probably in this. For real, dude. This this bitter jump has coops like this.
Yeah. Yep. I forgot to do my winning thing.
Oh, gotta go meet this guy up. Man.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what.
I turned down that soundbite. Let me try it again because I know you said you got scared the other day. I don't want to scare you, Goobs.
Which one? Yeah.
That one.
That one always scares me. The knock on the door.
Dude, NQ is disappointing, man. Dude, we've been ranging since market open. This is crazy.
Silver, bro. Silver.
Silver. Oh, your PC room is right next to your door? Yeah, that's funny.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
We like the stock.
Oh my God, bro. Another one. Another one. Another one.
I know, dude, this dip. Dude, we got 5 viewers on YouTube here. What are you guys in? What are you guys looking at?
Talk to them, Iceberg. Talk to them.
Flop. Are you still locked out, Coops?
Yeah.
Damn. I know volume just looks like it's just still where it's at. Gold though, I mean it's slow, but it's still moving up. We would have been up still. So they're saying too that copper might be up next.
What do you mean?
Then like I guess it's been making moves that it hasn't been like it's been moving lately. All the metals, yeah, the bricks. But it's been waking up. I've been seeing that too.
I'll be back. I still gotta do my shit, but I gotta go meet this guy up, dude. If you guys don't hear from me, dude, call 9. Call the police.
What'd you say, Alhape? Call the police?
No, that was how they said that. If he goes missing from this Pokemon guy.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
All right, dude.
Tell me the location. Bye.
But yeah, guys, this stream officially hit 3 hours. Holy shit. 3-hour stream. That's the longest I've
Damn.
gone. I mean, at this point now, I'm just chilling. I'm chilling here with you guys.
But hey, if we have YouTube viewers, that's good. We gotta bring them in.
Hopefully we catch something else. I'm chilling here, but let's see if something presents itself. I mean, like I said, at this point we're just chilling.
Did you guys take my options trade this morning?
Oh yeah, what was that
Anybody?
about? You took a put, dude. Actually, matter of fact, let's talk about that. Last night, dude, we were trying to long up here because it was looking so good, and we were breaking out. Remember, we got the perfect entry right here, and then
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I
26,000.
remember.
That was the entry for the short. That's what ended up happening. Look at that. If you got it right here, and if you did the standard, let's see. Why is it not letting me?
What do you
'cause
mean?
I'm on a candle. Dude, oh my god, bro. If he shorted 26,000 and you did the normal 50-point stop loss we normally do, you would have been well
Mhm.
off. It would have not
How much
even
would
gotten
that
close
be?
to your stop loss. And you would have woken up to this whole move. Wow.
Damn.
That's crazy. That's nuts. You're shorting gold? Let's see. Real quick. I hope it's real quick. Like real quick. Ooh, bro, broke. Talk to me, bro. What happened? Damn.
Trying to test a strat. What happened?
They should just pop, bro. That was nasty. Oh, $14, bro. You're chilling. Yeah, that's good. W management.
Man, silver really, damn. Silver literally came in clutch.
I know, dude. Another long entry, 5104 stop. Fresh hour, actually. A fresh hour. Top of the hour, I mean. Yeah, man. I mean, I like it. I mean, the idea is there, you know. We're breaking out of this resistance. Oh, shit. Wrong windows. Resistance that we're breaking out of. Nice close above. If this comes down, at least give this another retest and then make its way back up. Or this could be it. Just a little shallow run to the downside and then more upside. I mean, if you look closely, I mean, it has been supporting, except this one right here at the very beginning. That looked like it was just going to completely invalidate it. But we broke out of this. We broke out of that. We gave it another retest. We broke above. And then we got this one here. Resistance that got supported right here. And now another resistance that we're breaking out of. So, yeah, man. I see what you see. I see what you're doing. So, again, it is moving, but just slowly and stair stepping up. Yeah, dude, it's paying off for you though. The gold right now. Where can we find you on the socials? I got you. Let me see something. I've been trying to post a lot more consistently here on TikTok, actually. Trade recaps, all that stuff. Fresh account though, so there's not much, but yeah, I'm getting started on it. Yeah, like I said, I'm trying to be more consistent on that. Dude, trading silver was actively. Oh wait, hold on. Actually, let's go. Yeah, dude, the long so far it's holding up. 102 con on these scalps. Bet nothing major, but these are adding up fast. Yeah, man. How do you pull up on multiple charts? You're trading on a laptop, right? PC? Okay. Yeah, man. So I have my Top Step X and I have my trading view on the left side too, because I just have, that way I can I think it's super easy and convenient on trading view where you just press the space bar. So if that's what you're looking to do, then just grab the two windows and it should give you these options up here to put them. So that's why I like having trading view up, because I can easily skim through these tickers. Yeah, on the left side is trading view, and then on the right side it's my Top Step X. I mean, you could. I mean, look, if you want to do two charts on Top Step X, you just go right here to where. Right here, if you can see my fucking cursor. and then come down, and it's numbered. So however many tickers you want. I mean, I don't think anyone uses the 7. That's nuts. But anyway, yeah, you could do 2. And yeah, man, just have it pulled up. Click on whichever side you want to do, and then search the ticker. I think I might call it here, guys. I mean, again, I wish I was still down. I wish my entry was still way down here. I wish my entry was still there. And we try to catch a continuation play. Where was it? Right here. It took forever. It just took forever until finally it is green. But I think at this point now, just dealing with all that consolidation, I'm feeling a little exhausted emotionally. But at this point now, I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. But even NQ, I mean, NQ, I was hoping that we could get that breakout, but instead it just, we ended up just consolidating, didn't go anywhere. I mean, market opened right here on that candle. Look, it's just been nothing but chop, chop, chop. So there's absolutely nothing on NQ. I think because gold is kind of just drifting away, I think my eyes are probably going to be on NQ for the night. If any opportunity before I go to bed. But if I do enter something, I'll ping it out into Discord, and yeah, man. But again, the reason behind and the thought process behind NQ is because we are in a range. When we break out, we don't know what side it's going to decide to break out of. So it could be either of these two sides. So this is, if you want to mark it out, you can go ahead, and this is on the 30-minute. Above and then below. So you can clearly see this is an obvious range. I don't want anything to do with it anywhere in between. I'm just going to wait for a breakout. You can see that it's leaving behind these wicks. It's attempting a lot more to the upside than it is the downside. So I want to think and assume that we are going to go to break out to the upside. That's what I'm thinking. Because it keeps going up here.
Are you logging off, or are you staying on for the night?
I'm gonna log off. I mean, unless you guys are just chilling, I mean, I'll chill. But like, at this point, I'm just kind of just.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We need you for New York.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't do much. I mean, I'm up $2, so I'll probably end up showing up for New York and try to make something. But we'll see about this breakout. Hopefully, we do catch this breakout. I mean, again, we tried it. We tried the breakout right here. It was looking so good. Price went all the way up here. And the 30-minute just left behind a wick, rejected right back into this range. So we got bamboozled. But luckily, gold brought us back in the green for the day. And again, I'm not opposed to trying again. But let's just see. Hopefully this next time it does go through. But yeah, that's the only thing I have in mind here in NQ is a breakout to the upside or downside. But we'll see what happens.
Damn, gold really did break out. My goodness.
Did it really? No way.
I mean, it's.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's not like breaking out, but it's gonna reach that 5132 TP that you were talking about earlier. So it hit the first TP. It's heading to its second TP at 5109, and then 5121. But yeah, RSI is going back up again. Let's see. And it is respecting the 20 EMA.
Yeah,
It
I
is
mean,
respect.
if you look here on the
20
chart on the hourly, this is the hourly resistance. That would be TP. So,
Yeah.
broke. If you can hold for a little longer than a scalp, you could probably get some real good money up here. But you gotta be, you gotta be solid with your entry. But yeah, man. Okay, I'm gonna go check on my daughter. Actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. I'm gonna call it here.
All right, sounds good. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, man. All right, dude. I'll catch you guys later.
Adios.
All right, YouTube. That's gonna be it for me, guys. Yeah, man. Gold, dude. Gold fell flat on us or on me. Like I was telling these guys in the Discord, dude. I caught a solid entry earlier on gold, but the 5 p.m. we got a volatility injection, some some fast movement. I caught my entry right here. And then this candle right here opened up and wicked down so fast it took me out at break even. And yeah, I mean I should have still been in this, but because of that happened, I just wanted to catch a continuation play and it took forever. It took forever to get us up in the green. I mean, I thought we were going to get stopped out, but yeah. I don't want to FOMO. I don't want to chase into it, trying to get back what I think I deserve, or where what I should have been up. I'm not trying to chase that, so that's where I'm at here. Sucky, but it is what it is. And then NQ again, just the last thing on NQ. I mean, we tried a breakout trade, it completely failed, but we technically we never got stopped out because our stop loss was like right below right here. This got close to it, never got us out, and we're still ranging right above. So I would rather try to re-enter this, but we will see. We will see what happens. Anyway, guys, yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you guys tomorrow. See you guys.